Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to manage the access to your Google Sheets in the Google Sheets application. But before I do that, I want to say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into it. As you can see, I'm in the Google Sheets application right now. I'm currently signed in into my freshly created brand new account, which I created only for these videos. Let's say I have a file, but I don't want anybody to open it. I want only certain people to be able to open it. What you're going to do is choose a sheet from here. Let's say the S1, and you want to click on the three dots that are next to it at the right. Click on those. Here we have to scroll down for a bit until you find a thing called Manage Access. Click on that. Here it shows you who has access to it, but if you want to add people, you just have to click on this little person with a plus icon next to it in the top right corner of your phone. Add the people and just hit save. So yeah guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.